Hi everyone, today I will be going over how to install Eclipse. First, go to your Google Classroom and open up Coding Club. When you scroll down, you will see 4 links. First, we will be installing Java. Click on the link for Java. Agree and start free download and open the downloaded file. Double click on the Java 8 update, open, and enter your password. Click install and you can close this window. Once it finishes installing, click close. You can close this website. Second thing we're going to install is Java development kit. Click on the link for Java SE. Scroll down, and if you're using Mac, download the macOS installer. If you're using Windows, download Windows x64 installer, not the compressed one. You should download the installer. Accept the terms and start the download. Double click on the package, continue, and enter your password. Close, and you can delete it. The next thing we have to install is Eclipse. So go to Eclipse website, click download, and then you can close the website after it starts downloading. While it's downloading, click on the TurtleGraphics, click the 3 dots, open a new window, and start downloading it. Once it downloads, unzip the file and make sure the name is TurtleGraphics. T and G are uppercase and there are no spaces. Now open up the Eclipse installer. Double click the Eclipse installer. Do not drag it into your applications. Open. Here, select the first one that says Eclipse IDE for Java developers. If you get this error, it just means that you're trying to open a folder that you don't have permission for. So just change the installation folder. Personally, I put it into applications. Once you set your installation folder, click install. And after it finishes installing, click launch. So it's going to ask you for a directory as a workspace. This is where you will store all your files and projects. So choose a folder that you're sure that you won't delete by mistake. If you want to change the workspace, you can just click browse and select the new folder. And after you set the workspace, click launch. Once the window comes up, let me just make it the same. Okay, once the window comes up, there might be a hello screen. You can close it, and after you close it, go to File, New, Java Project, the first one. Name the project anything you want. I'm going to name it Coding Club. And after you name it, do not change any of these settings. Just click Finish. If you come across with this window, click Don't Create. Now double click on the Coding Club or the project you created to open it. Click SRC, go to File, New, and Class. Name it anything you want again. and make sure you click this public static void main. Click on it, make sure you open it. After you name it and then open this tick, you can click finish. Then we have to find the TurtleGraphics that we just downloaded, drag it into src right on top of it, and select the first one, copy files and folders. Click OK. Now we're going to test if our Java or Eclipse works. So you have to copy the code that I'm writing exactly the same, uppercase to uppercase, lowercase to lowercase. Here's what we're going to write. You need the semicolons at the end, make sure you don't miss them. And if you don't have the import TurtleGraphics.keyboard reader, make sure you copy that also. And then go to your window, show view, and select console. After that, there's a green button at the left top. Click on it, it's run. If it doesn't run, click on the main program, like the class you created, and click run again. Click on the console and enter any number you want and click enter. If you get the number you entered as output, it means that your Java is working, your Eclipse is working, you're done with the installation. Thank you for watching.